In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own website with Hostinger in just a few easy steps. Whether you're starting a personal blog, launching a business, or showcasing a portfolio, this guide will help you get your website up and running quickly and efficiently. So let's dive in and start creating your online presence. First, we'll begin by logging into Hostinger. Head over to the Hostinger website and locate the login option at the top right corner of the page. Enter your account credentials, and once you hit the login button, you'll be directed to your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Hostinger makes it incredibly easy, and setting up your account is straightforward. Now that you're logged in, let's move to the next step, which is opening the website builder. On your dashboard, you'll find an option labeled Website Builder. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a section where all the magic begins. Hostinger's website builder is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible even for those who have never built a website before. The next thing you'll need to do is choose a template. Hostinger offers a variety of templates tailored for different types of websites. As you browse through the options, consider what will best suit your project needs. Are you a photographer wanting to showcase your art? Then maybe a visually striking, image-heavy template is what you need. Once you find the perfect one, click select or use this template to get started. At this stage, it's time to customize the content and design of your template. This is where you can really make your website your own. You'll have the option to change text, upload images, and adjust layouts to fit your vision. Play around with colors, fonts, and other design elements until you're happy with how everything looks. Remember, there's no rush, so take your time to explore different configurations. Hostinger's tools are very intuitive and they give you the flexibility to be as creative as you want. Once you're satisfied with your website's design, the final step is to connect your domain and publish. If you've already got a domain, you can link it now. If not, Hostinger provides easy domain registration services. After entering your chosen domain, follow the prompts to ensure it's properly connected. Finally, hit the publish button. And just like that, your website is live for the world to see. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created and launched your very own website using Hostinger. Remember, the internet is all about experimenting and finding what works best for you. So don't hesitate to make tweaks and updates as you go along. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website building.